Alright, I'm kind of tired of actually working on the car over there, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start it and move it to the middle. I just need more room to work with. Alright, so in today's video, we're finally going to be plumbing the wastegate itself. I actually got some of these 1.5 inch pretty much exhaust piping, and then I got some hole saws to actually, cut open the actual exhaust part. So what I need to do is zip tie this up, because I didn't see that rubbing on the ground. And then I need to unbolt the exhaust and then try to plumb something that's close on the edges here. That one's gonna have to be straight 90, probably just hit it exactly like in it. So I need to go get the flanges out. I think I've already got the flanges and one of the exhaust pipe, one of the exhaust pipings here, so I can just pretty much use this for the top and then run it accordingly. So I need to go ahead and get the exhaust taken off. All right, got my handy dandy drill. I got the battery on the charger. So technically I need to go ahead and I need to pretty much cut these flanges off first and go from there and see what angle I technically need. So let's go ahead and cut these off. So I got these both ready to go. What I want to do is, see, this one is completely going the wrong way. It's going straight. I wonder if that'll just do and I don't have to actually put it on the exhaust itself. Just run it just like that and try to run it straight down and out and not with the exhaust. Because if it's with the exhaust, it's gonna make cool wastegate noises going poosh, and stuff like that. So I don't know if I want to just hook it up just like that and just run it straight out and then burn out the exhaust, or I don't know yet. I don't know yet, because if I do it over here, I can run this one just fine. But I need to run it that way. That's the first thing. Let's just continue on with the plan. I actually found a new exhaust piece that had the wastegate already built in. I technically could turn this around and go that way, but I'm just gonna weld pretty much a plate right there that blocks that off. And then I got the hole cut out for the exhaust. So now what I need to do is just line up that right there and mark it just like that. Bam. And that's where I'm gonna be welding. So now get the welder out and start marking if I can find the Sharpie cat. All right, I got the one exhaust welded up, all looking pretty. These are my welds here. I'm getting better in a sense. I went super small with those. These are from the last guy when he put this pipe together. And then I went ahead and welded up the top half here. So pretty much all I gotta do now is run it through just like that. Damn, so easy. Pick it up. Add the bolt. Make sure this thing's looking good. I really don't want to ruin this V-band if I don't have to. And make sure this is looking pretty just like that. Yeah, that's a lot better. And then we'll tighten it up. See, that looks so much better now. It's so small. It's honestly a little dinky. Yeah, dinky, super dinky. I might do something to make this look better, but that honestly is looking a little stupid. It's so small. Now what I need to do is weld this pipe on here just like that with the technically this right here. I think I can be able to push this on just fine, so I'm gonna try that, because technically I can do it just like that in a sense, or I could do like a pie cut with this and make it look super pretty looking. Like cut it down to here, so it's like half of that just going straight out with it, and then go from there. So I don't know yet. Let's go ahead and just cut this down in half and pretty much just take it from there. All right, I got it RTV'd and I'm letting it just sit there. I actually got it exhaust wrapped too, just to be cautious, just in case rattling does occur. I will let that tack up and then I can tighten up the bolts. I wanted to wrap the actual exhaust downpipe itself too, but I'm just gonna leave it open for now. Now I gotta do the other side, and so pretty much cut, fab, weld, and bada bing, bada boom. What the f? I burnt the crap out of my finger and I'm bleeding. I really hate fabbing, but it's so great because everything comes out really good. So I got the wastegate. This one's tight, this one's plumbed. Going down, this one's coming out the side. Perfect, looking great. So that one's done, and then this side is finally done. I got this side welded. I'm gonna make this flat and then get a protector shield here to pretty much protect the paint in a sense, because I know that for a fact right here is gonna burn off. Then I got the wastegate plumbed. I'm just letting it tack up, and then that one's pointing out. So this is technically done now. I'm just technically waiting on the coolant overflow that should be here any freaking second, along with Sydney's desk. I guess they're gonna send it the same exact time, but right now I just need to cut and make sure that is good sitting there, like the fender exit is good sitting flush. So I just gotta cut it. Help you? Hey, do the roar. That's whack.
Yeah, I know.
No more. No more. I got neighbors.
Got neighbors.
Yeah, I got neighbors. Your brakes squeak. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. All right, back to what I was doing after I got battle wounds, guys. Everything for the exhaust is done. He takes forever to leave. Oh my God, let's go. Get the hell out of here. Go. See you later. All right. But I finally got the actual overflow tank right here. I'm gonna mount it literally right there. I did just cut this out. I should have filmed it, but me and Caleb just kind of went after it. Technically me, because Caleb's like, you won't cut it, and guess what I did? And bada bing, bada boom, now it's mounted. That's perfect. Now I need to go get hoses and run it over here, and then right to there. I like how it's got two, because that's exactly what I have. So now I need to take these off and then figure out how long I need. I probably need like a foot, maybe a foot and a half, just be cautious on both of them. And then top this bad boy off, and you're pretty much done. Especially with the hood being on, you actually can't see it. It's like amazing that you can't actually see it. This whole build is just straight shitbox, okay? Straight shitbox. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like. Subscribe if you guys are not subscribed. And it's only beginning tomorrow's video. Technically, I'm gonna be driving this thing, so be prepared. Like I said, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are not subscribed. I should be at 399. Whoever's gonna be the 400 subscriber, let me know down below in the comments. Peace out.